This year, there are 4 different models of the iPhone 12 to choose from. They are the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All the 4 models look same but different. If you are struggling to decide which of the 4 models to choose from, stay tuned. First off, let's talk about the regular iPhone 12. You may ask, I don't see any much difference from the previous iPhones, so why should I upgrade this year? The short answer is you are buying into 5G. So, what is 5G? 5G is basically the 5th generation of mobile networks that can give you speeds ranging from 50 megabits per second to over a gigabit per second. Cosmetically, the new iPhone 12 lineup looks the same from all the Face ID models since the iPhone X. The body, however, returns to the industrial flat edges of the iPhone 5 era, making the iPhone design language now congruent with the latest iPad Air and iPad Pros. They also come in 5 colors: the white, black, product red, green, and blue. The next important upgrade would be the display. Previously, the biggest difference between the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro was the LCD display versus an OLED display. To put it simply, an OLED display is better in the sense that it provides higher contrast and brightness than an LCD screen. This is because every pixel of the OLED display is capable of its own illumination, whereas the illumination of LCD screens are shared by the array of LED backlights. This year, all iPhone 12 models will share the same Retina XDR OLED display, previously only found on the Pro models. The most interesting addition is actually the MagSafe. All iPhone 12 models will come with the built-in MagSafe feature. You can now magnetically attach the charger to the back of the phone like how you charge your Apple Watch. This provides better precision for charging than the regular Qi wireless chargers. Apple is also selling new cases and wallets that are stackable on the iPhone. This will definitely kickstart a whole new ecosystem of accessories that can take advantage of the MagSafe standard. Can you imagine mountable lenses, gimbals, microphones, and so much more? Other noticeable upgrades includes the ability to shoot in Dolby Vision. Dolby Vision is a high dynamic range standard, and usually it requires high-end video cameras to shoot and later post-process in computers. The iPhone 12, however, can shoot and process this natively in Dolby Vision. Imagine you can now AirPlay Dolby Vision videos to your TVs, enjoying your content in all 4K HDR glory. Do note that the iPhone 12 and mini can only shoot Dolby Vision for up to 4K 30 frames per second, while the Pro models can shoot Dolby Vision for up to 4K 60 frames per second. Last but not least, the glass display is fortified by a ceramic shoe and is said to be more shatter resistant. Next, let's talk about the younger brother, the iPhone 12 mini. The iPhone 12 mini has a 5.4-inch display as compared to the regular 6.1-inch display. Imagine holding an iPhone 5 in your hand, while with an edge-to-edge display in place of the home button and chunky forehead bezel. While being smaller, the iPhone 12 mini shares the exact same specifications and features as the regular model without compromise, except maybe for the smaller battery. This is good news for people like me who is pretty irritated with phones getting larger and larger over the years. The iPhone 12 mini is the best form factor if you enjoy single-handed typing on the phone. It is also the lowest price entry into the iPhone 12 family, being $100 cheaper than the regular iPhone 12. Now let's proceed to the Pro models. The Pro models are made of stainless steel instead of aluminum and come in 4 colors, namely the Pacific Blue, the Gold, the Silver, and the Graphite. The iPhone 12 Pro has the same form factor and display size as the regular iPhone 12, while the largest iPhone of them all, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, sports a large 6.7-inch display. This year, the distinction between the regular and Pro models are very small. The biggest difference would be the camera module. The iPhone 12 Pro model packs a telephoto camera on top of the regular wide and ultra-wide camera. The camera module also comes equipped with a LiDAR module. LiDAR is basically a method of measuring distances using laser light and measuring the reflection with a sensor. The LiDAR will supposedly help with AR mapping and also help with autofocusing, especially in low light. Having a larger body, the iPhone 12 Pro Max packs a bigger and better camera module than the iPhone 12 Pro. A larger sensor size brings you better images and cleaner images. The telephoto focal length is also longer, enabling you to take better portraits. The iPhone 12 Pro Max uses a new sensor shift optical image stabilization, where the image sensor is suspended and shifts to counter camera shake and movement, providing sharper images and also smoother video recording. This feature is usually found on recent mirrorless cameras. Additionally, the Pro models allows you to shoot photos in Apple Pro RAW format. The photo file format is like a hybrid between JPEG and RAW, where you get a beautiful photo processed by computational photography and also the flexibility to edit exposure, white balance, and tones without degrading photo quality. So, enough on the similarities and differences. Let's talk about which iPhone 12 should you get. Get the iPhone 12 mini if you are on the budget. The iPhone 12 mini is your lowest entry point, and yet the only compromise you get is the screen size. Otherwise, you get all the regular features as the regular 12 model. You should also consider the iPhone 12 mini if you are sick of phones getting bigger and heavier over the years. The iPhone 12 mini is a return to the old days, where the phone feels so comfortable and snug in your hand. Single-handed typing will feel so relaxed and comfortable. Do not get the iPhone 12 mini if this is your primary media consumption device. The screen size may not be immersive for you, and the iPhone 12 mini has the smallest battery of the bunch. Go for the regular iPhone 12 if you cannot afford the iPhone 12 Pro models, but yet you do not like small screen displays. The regular iPhone 12 is in the beautiful sweet spot for price and display size. I believe most people will buy the regular model. To put it simply, you are only missing out on the photography end of the iPhone 12 Pros. Do check your photo albums to see if do you always take photos zooming in. Otherwise, the regular iPhone 12 is really about 80 to 90% of an iPhone 12 Pro. Next, go for the iPhone 12 Pro models if you think you enjoy taking pictures with your phone. The Pro models gives you a LiDAR for better autofocusing, an extra telephoto lens for good portraits, and also the ability to take photos in Pro RAW, enabling more versatility to edit after your shots. Get the Pro models if the money is not an issue. Otherwise, the regular iPhone 12 and 12 mini would make a better value proposition. Also, is the build quality of a concern to you? Get the iPhone 12 Pro if you prefer the luxurious feel of stainless steel over aluminum. Lastly, go for the iPhone 12 Pro Max if you want the best camera capabilities. The iPhone 12 Pro Max packs a larger sensor than the rest of the iPhone 12 models, giving you a 40% increase in picture quality. It also features sensor shift optical image stabilization to give you sharper images for stills and also smoother stabilized movement for video. The iPhone 12 Pro Max also has the largest display and is good for people who enjoy watching movies on their phones. The larger battery size also caters for longer video hours. Do not get the iPhone 12 Pro Max if size and weight is an issue to you. To me, it is a deal breaker that I am unable to type single-handedly anymore. So, let me know which is the right iPhone 12 for you. Please ask in the comments section if you are still on the fence, and I will try to help you out. Remember to subscribe and help me achieve my first milestone of 1000 subscribers. Stay safe everyone, bye bye.